Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I will be showing you my way of making my bacon and shrimp chow mein. So in a pot with boiling water, I have 8 ounces of Chowmein noodles. I'm going to add some salt and let this boil until it is tender and nice. So once my chow mein has the right consistency that I'm looking for, I'm going to strain the chow mein and set it aside. Now over medium heat, I have a pot with some oil, and kindly remember to check the description box below. Here I have some bacons, and I did cut them up. They are chunky bacons, they're not the flat ones. And I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of cooking in the same pot, I'm going to just set them aside, and then I'll just start frying my onions and garlic into this same oil. You want to cook the onions and garlic until they're soft and nice, or until the onion turns translucent. So once I toss this around and it's finished, I'll set it aside and add the carrots. I'll mix everything together. I'll go in and I'm going to add the red and green bell peppers. Once I add them, I'm going to toss all together. And I do have some shrimp that I did clean and devein. I soaked them with some lime and salt and pepper. And here I'm adding the shrimp into the same pan with some ginger, some salt, and some black pepper. Once I do this, I'm going to let the shrimp cook for 1 minute. Once it's cooked, I'm going to add some shredded cabbage, toss them around, and then I'll now add some cubes that I did crushed up together, and this is for additional flavor. You can use some soy sauce, you can use tomato paste if you care to. I just like to see my chow mein just the way it is, that nice yellow color. Here I'm adding some onion flakes along with some parsley flakes, and I'm going to combine everything well by stirring. So now I'm adding my Chowmein noodles, and I'm going to stir everything well, making sure that the chow mein is well seasoned with all this beautiful flavor in this pot. I'm also adding some green onions, or scallions as some of us would know it, and I'm going to continue to mix this chow mein, making sure that it is all combined, guys. This is what my chow mein looks like. I love the look of my bacon and my shrimp in this chow mein. I even like the color. Like I said earlier, you can add your soy sauce, that's okay. And if you like this video, kindly please give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.